I grew up in West Monroe, Louisiana, hunting and fishing. You know, it's been a part of me ever since I was little. I know a lot of those things kind of sound cliche now because everyone tends to write about them, but that's how I grew up.
So I'm leaving Louisiana, headed straight to Tennessee. Gonna try to start things over, put some miles between you and me. 'Cause heaven knows I've tried it all, and there's nothing left to do. So maybe leaving Louisiana will get me over you.
First time I heard Leaving Louisiana, it really hit home with me. And knowing that I had a trip to Venice, Louisiana on the books for early April, I called up Stephen Paul and asked him if he would join me in his home state to spend some time on the Gulf catching redfish. The unique thing about Venice, Louisiana is that it lies at the mouth of the Mississippi River. Rainfall from 32 states and 2 Canadian provinces travel to the Gulf of Mexico and end up right here in Venice. We got to take an incredible ride with Captain Blake Rigby of Triple Tail Charters down the Mississippi to the Gulf of Mexico. We're on to them now, boys.
Ooh, come on, y'all.
She grew up north of Mason-Dixon. I ain't never seen a dirt road, so I took her back home for some front porch sitting, where she had her first taste of gumbo. Yeah, my big city girl met this country boy's world. Bless her little heart, Lord have mercy, that girl didn't know what's a thing. When her lips met mine, nearly lost my mind. Yeah, she made a believer out of me. She can handle that high, sticky, sweet Louisiana heat.
Louisiana Heat was the first Louisiana song I ever wrote and recorded. It's very cool to pay homage to where I grew up. You know, I'm very proud of being from Louisiana.
We've probably caught, how many fish have we caught? 60, 70?
Yeah,
60. We've caught 60 or 70 fish in the last 2 hours. Amazing.
Cheering the rebels on to stay. One cold bar stool at the Bayview. One less tear from Miss Lila Saint. Cause this small town without you just don't feel the same. It don't feel the same. So I'm leaving Louisiana.
Kind of can put away the outside world and just no cell phone service, no nothing. You're just out there with nature, and you get to do the thing you love and not have to worry about anything else. You know, I'm glad to be back home. This is so much fun to be in Louisiana.
And there's nothing left to do.
This early April trip to Louisiana was one of the best fishing trips of my life. We easily caught over 100 redfish and black drum in a 4-hour window. Getting to hang out with Stephen Paul and fishing his home state of Louisiana with him was an experience I'll never forget. But now it's time to pack up the van and head to South Texas to fish with some great friends on Baffin Bay.